This video is a powerful DIY hair growth recipe that is going to blow your mind. If your hair is not growing the way you want it, your edges are damaged, your hair is too thin, or you just want to grow your hair much faster, you should try this DIY hair growth recipe. This is one of my favorite hair growth recipes. And we are going to use some natural ingredients to achieve this hair moisturizer. My first natural ingredient for this hair growth moisturizer is clove. Clove is super powerful when it comes to hair growth, repairing hair damage, and also stimulating blood flow to your scalp. Clove is one of the natural ingredients that I love for my hair. If you have tried clove for your DIY recipes and it hasn't helped with your hair growth, maybe you're not using it the right way. Try it in this DIY recipe and see how well it works with your hair. My next natural ingredient is coffee. Coffee is great when it comes to hair growth. It stimulates blood flow to your scalp, help you grow new healthy hair. Coffee can prevent hair breakage and strengthen your hair strands. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what I did was I measured about a tablespoon of my clove as well as a tablespoon of my coffee. You can use any coffee of your choice. I put the two in a blender, then after that I added my canola oil. I used olive oil for this DIY recipe, but you do not have to use olive oil. You can use any plant-based oil like avocado oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. So you are just going to top it up with some oil. Make sure you add enough oil to cover your natural ingredients. Once everything is blended together, you're going to put it in a saucepan, leave it on the stove on a very low heat. We are just trying to infuse the natural ingredients with our canola oil. Make sure you're not burning your natural ingredients. You're just going to leave this on the stove for about 5 minutes or until the oil is warm to touch. You set it aside to allow it to cool down. After that, you're going to use a paper towel, a cheesecloth, or even a wig cup, any material with tiny holes to strain your oil. So once your oil is ready, we're going to add some Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil can thicken your hair. If you're losing your edges or your hair is thinning out, you don't even need much. It is a very thick oil, so it keeps your hair moisturized for a long time. In this recipe, I added about just half a tablespoon. I'm also going to add my essential oil. Today, I chose to use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil will treat your scalp from dandruff and also stimulate blood flow to your scalp. As you can see, we are only using natural ingredients that can stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow your hair much faster, thicker, and fuller. All right, so this is shea butter. I'm also going to use the double boiler method to melt some shea butter. And after that, I'm going to mix it up with my oil that I just prepared. And there you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, share this video, and also give it a thumbs up. So this is my melted shea butter and this is my coffee and clove oil. At this point, I'm going to use a ratio of 2:1, meaning I'm taking about 2 portions of my shea butter and I'm going to add about 1 portion of my oil. So what it means is if I'm measuring about 2 tablespoons of my shea butter, I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of my oil that I just prepared. So whatever amount that you are making, you always use a ratio of 2:1. I hope that makes sense. So after that, you're going to mix everything together. You're going to leave it in the refrigerator and your DIY hair growth moisturizer is all ready. This is so beautiful, guys. It is super powerful and I just love how it feels on the hair and on the scalp. I am going to show you the best way to use this DIY recipe, so make sure you are paying attention to it. So you're going to use this just as you would use any hair moisturizer. You're going to apply it to your hair and also your scalp. It is going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow your hair much faster. It is also going to repair your damaged hair. Apply this at least 4 times in a week or whenever your hair feels dry. You can also use this on your wash days to help moisturize your hair. It is going to moisturize your hair really well and keep it moisturized. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.